Installation for MDST-24. Unbind the straps. Fold up the straps and corner guards and put them away. Open the outer box fastening buckle and put it away. Pick it up. There are also 2 fixing buckles on the other side. Lift the carton up and put it aside. Gasket, export pallet, power cable, network cable and list. Remove other packaging. Unpack the waterproof bag. Checklist. 2 export pallets, 2 power cables, 1 network cable, 4 screws, 5 gaskets. Lift the printer onto the table. Adjust position. Removing the fixing tape. Install the film outlet bracket. Screw hole 1. Screw hole 2. Screw hole 3 and 4. Install screws into the 4 screw holes. Install 14 x 17 film. Open the lid. Install the gasket. The chip cannot just be placed on it, it must be glued. Paste chip. Chip pasting position. Insert film. Print a small amount to add. You can also add the whole package. Organize the film. Pay attention to the cutting angle to avoid reverse installation. By touch, smooth side down. Close the lid. Install 8 x 10 film. Open the lid. Install the stopper. Place the gasket. Paste chip. Note the direction of the protrusion. Insert film. Pay attention to the film orientation. Film cut corners. Rough side up. Close the lid. Load the film cassette into the printer. Connect to power. Do not press the power switch. Connect the network cable. The other end of the network cable is connected to the debugging computer. Press the power switch to power on. Wait about 20 seconds to boot.